So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app not showing reward, point sync and offer refresh. Fix 1 is force close and relaunch the app. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold the open to app switcher. Swipe up on the McDonald's app preview card to close it. Reopen the app. On Android, open your phone setting, tap apps or application, find and select McDonald's, tap force stop, then reopen the app. Second fix is sign out and sign back in. Open the McDonald's app, tap the More tab at the bottom right, scroll down and select sign out. Close the app completely, reopen the app and select sign in, re-enter your email and password. Third fix is clear the app cache. For Android user, open your phone setting, navigate to app, select McDonald's from the list, tap on storage. Choose clear cache or clear data. For iPhone users, press and hold the McDonald's app icon on your home screen, tap remove app, then select delete the app. Open the app store, search for McDonald's and download it again. Log into your account. Then step 4 is turn on location permissions. On iPhone, navigate to setting, select privacy and security, access location service, turn location service on. Scroll down to find McDonald's. Tap on McDonald's and select while using the app. On Android, navigate to settings on your device, select app from the menu, find and tap on McDonald's app, tap on permission option, select location setting, choose allow only while using the app. So fifth fix is check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal often fails to load the reward database. Turn Wi-Fi off in your phone setting, turn cellular or mobile data on, reload the McDonald's app to see if the reward appear. Then thanks for watching.